Hi everyone, hope you are well. I thank you so much for tuning in. Look at this amazing beautiful hairstyle. I did cornrows in the middle and at the ends I put individual braids. This hairstyle is very good when you're holding a puff for styling and it's so protective. Yes, this is how I did it. I first locked my hair on the sides. I locked it very well, and then I'm attaching my braids. This is my kinky, afro kinky. Yes, I'm attaching them and I'm twisting them. You see the twisted part already. And even here where I put the cornrows, I am going to crochet my braids. And then after crocheting, of course, I have to twist it. I do a double twist. I twist it very well. And when I get done with the twisting, you're gonna see what I'm going to do. Of course, I'm going to put curls at the extreme end. I use palm loads. Palm loads put better curls, and of course, for these curls to come out very well, I have to dip them. In fact, it's a must. When you want to put curls after putting a palm loads, you need to boil very hot water, and you dip your palm loads into the water. This part where you want the curls to be, where you palm load, that's where you dip into the hot water. You have to make sure you have an extra towel to help you dry it when you remove it from the water, and to prevent the vapor from attacking your client or from burning your client. You have to be so careful because it's a dangerous part, or rather it's this session is a bit dangerous. You might burn your client, so you have to be careful. You have to be with someone to help you out. Then after that, you remove your palm loads. You already be having your beautiful curls at the end, and of course you go on and separate your hair. You separate your curls very well and organize them as you are going to see in this video. I want you to enjoy this video, so I would love to leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Please make sure you give me thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and click on the notification bell. I am JK. As usual, I always post videos every day, upload videos every day. Endeavor to check on me, and don't forget to comment in case there is anything you don't understand. Yes, I've taken you through this video so fast because I've done most of the things in my previous videos. Don't forget to go and cross check. I have done all these things. Though this hairstyle is a bit new, it is a bit new, that's why I've done it, but most of the things I've done them. So if there's anything you haven't understood and maybe you don't have time to cross check the videos, you can go into the comment section and I'll be here to explain to you everything. Let me wish you the best of the best. Thank you for following up, for sticking with me. I wish you the best, and of course tomorrow I'll be right here in another beautiful video hair tutorial. Thank you so much. See you again tomorrow. Oh, I was forgetting. I really want to give a special applause to my friends in Qatar and Dubai. Thank you so much for loving my videos, for learning. I have learners from Asia. I love you so much. I have them all over the world, but these ones are new. I'm not going to mention your names, but I thank you so much.